The Sydney Opera House, located in Sydney, Australia, is one of the most iconic and distinctive buildings in the world. Designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, it officially opened on October 20, 1973. The structure is renowned for its unique sail-like design, which captures the imagination and evokes the image of a ship at full sail in the Sydney Harbour. The Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts centre and a prominent symbol of Australia. It hosts a wide range of performances, including opera, ballet, theatre, and concerts. The complex comprises several performance spaces, including the concert hall, the Joan Sutherland Theatre, and the Drama Theatre, among others. Beyond its architectural splendor and cultural significance, the Sydney Opera House is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of tourists each year, contributing significantly to Sydney's status as a global city.